All right, so this is the outdoor shower. I've already unlocked it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a little pop. And now you have access to it's hard to do one-handed, but I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on the water. You'll see that it starts coming out. I'm not using a lot of pressure right now, but I'm just using a little bit just to kind of show you what it works. It does have both hot and cold water, and when the water heater is on, it will get instant hot for you. So then when you're all done, you can just turn it off, and you are able to use an outside shower, rinse your feet. If you have a tent, pop off and take a real shower. The other thing you want to note about the shower is if this is this way, it will not be running, but if you click it this way while the water is on, it will run. So I like to leave it like this so that there's nothing left in the hose, but before you start that water, go ahead and do this so that way you're choosing when the water is running.